how to warm the interior. To warm the interior quickly, begin by starting the vehicle and letting the engine warm up. Once the engine is warm, start at the first knob and turn the knob to the floor-only icon to direct the airflow toward your feet and legs. Press the recirculate button so the cabin will heat up faster. At the second knob, turn the fan up to the number 4 to provide maximum air circulation. At the third knob, turn the outside of the knob clockwise all the way into the red zone for maximum heat. If already on, press the AC button to turn the air conditioning system off to eliminate any cooling effect. Once the interior reaches a comfortable temperature, you can switch the air source from recirculate to outside air by pushing the button in the first knob. This will help prevent window fogging.